our workout. Come on, faster. Keep it up, girls. One more time. How many times? I'm sick of it. You're right. I've had enough. I have an idea. Follow me. But the coach sees everything. Hey, where are you going? Freeze! We're here, Lily. Just be quiet. Let's hide. I'll go under the blanket. Okay, and I'll take the curtain. Well, can you see me? This plan is no good, Lily. Coach will catch us right away. We need another place. Under the bed. Okay. Look out! Here comes the coach. This better work. They aren't here either. Where are they? Yay! He's leaving!
Wow.
Turns out it's pretty cozy under the bed. Why not live here? I have an idea, Jane. We'll build a secret room. Then let's get to work. Let's clean up in here. Come on, Lily. A little more. The building materials are the most important thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. All in place. Measure and cut. Now we can assemble the frame. Help me, Jane. I'm already here, Lily. The room under the bed needs to be super strong. So, reinforce the foundation. And now the most important part. Putting the frame in place. That's a tricky one. But there's nothing cheerleaders can't handle. Looks great. There's only one little thing left. We need to move the bed upstairs. Ready, Jane? I sure am. The bed is already in place. What's next? Time to think about the decor. Let's start painting the secret room. Pink is the right color. Rollers, paint, and a good mood. Those are the keys to success. We did it, Jane! Let's paint the bed, too. Lily, wait! I have a better idea. It's going to be a sweet design. That sounds good. Here comes the sweet frosting. Perfect! Let's attach it to the bed. But that's not all. Repeat after me, Jane. Let's top off the pink frosting with a blue border. Do you like it? Lily, we forgot sprinkles. I'll make them now. Good thinking, Jane. Look how cool it is. The only thing missing is a ladder. It's easy. Lily takes it upon herself. Whoosh! And it's done. Now let's test the bed. The test was a success. The ladder works. There aren't enough pillows, Lily. I'm already here.
Wow.
Catch this. Perfect. The second floor is ready. Now it's soft and cozy. But there's still a lot of work to be done downstairs. Lily, we need the couch right away. No problem, Jane. And we'll put the couch right here. Oh, that's very handy. Just a little firm. Let's soften it, Jane. That's much better. The foam is already here. Now let's make some nice upholstery. It's a good thing the blanket was close by. This is a royal throne. Why don't we decorate the grounds with plants, Jane? As you wish, Lily. Is that enough? You bet it is. The room is so cozy now. We need more light, Jane. I agree, Lily. Let's decorate the couch with bright lights. A real living room. I wonder if the guests will like it. And there will be a rug on the floor. But we are very creative. Our room can't be boring. This will be an ice cream rug. Easy peasy. Cut out a cone and a scoop of ice cream.
Wow.
Now we just need to put the parts together and decorate it. This is almost like a Lego set, but way more interesting. And you can't do without glue. And the rug is ready. Cheerleaders should have a mirror in their room. And they'll hang it right on that wall. But how would we decorate it? Sweet style, of course. It will be a donut mirror, Lily. And we could use some modeling clay. It's so fascinating. Get to work. And the donut is almost ready. Let's just put some clay glaze on it. Lily will take care of it. Wait, what about sprinkles? Make them out of air-dry clay. That's a good one. Beauty comes first. All our treasures will go on a rack. Let's make it out of a wooden box.
Wow.
We will also need a screwdriver and a couple of pieces of wood. Let's attach the legs and it's done. We put the mini rack under the mirror. Perfect harmony. You can never have too many flowers. And a couple of other favorite things. Goal accomplished. This looks really nice. But the ceiling is a disaster. Lily, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Let's do this. Tool can decorate any room. Fasten it to the ceiling and make waves. Use a furniture stapler to hold it in place. Even a kid could do it. Way to go, Jane. But let's make our house even cuter. There will be beautiful curtains. This time we'll use yellow tulle. It's so sweet. Beautiful! Wow! And Lily wants a beauty moment. The mirror's a nice touch. And work on the second floor is in full swing. This is where Jane does her work. She's the master of tulle bows. Let's add colorful pom-poms. It looks so cute. Fasten the tulle with drawing pins. What a delicate decoration. The only things missing are garlands on the walls. These tassels will do just fine. And they are very easy to make. We need such holiday decorations. And a lot of it. Stack it in several layers and then tie in the center. Cut off all the extra. Pull the foil over the top. Hang the tassels on a string and the garland is ready. There's a snack break on the first floor. Lily decided to eat a treat. Stop! What if the goodies got stolen? We need a safe now. Let's make it out of a basketball. Make an incision in the ball. Use a box cutter. Voila! You can put the most valuable things in the safe. Your sweets. That's great. They'll be safe in here. It became so cozy. Hey, Jane! Wow! This place looks great. Now follow me. I'll show you something. Guess where the goodies are? You ate all the food? That's not fair. Don't worry. It's safe and sound. Where did you hide it? Tell me. That's odd. No way! The candies are in the ball. Great idea, Lily. Help yourself, Jane. Anything for my best friend. Delicious. The coolest ideas come out of nowhere. Jane, let's make a basketball hoop. Out of a pop tube? Easy. Just connect the two tubes into a ring. It's bright and round. Now we play. Direct hit, but it's uncomfortable. The hoop needs to be secured to the wall. Here or here. That's good. We don't need the outfits yet. But don't put the hangers away. Let's make hooks out of them. That's very handy. Let's hang the hoop. And attach the design to the ceiling. It's time for the championship. You first, Jane. Indoor basketball is so much fun. Lily, you try it too. Bullseye! They won't get any sleep tonight. Whoa! Is that an earthquake? Oh no! Just a friend stopping by to visit. Hey! Lily, come down and join us. With pleasure! Lily loves parties! Shall we have some fun? And what's a party without popcorn? This is for you! Oh, it's delicious! Mary has something tasty too! Who wants pizza? You are amazing! Come visit more often! This secret room is for friends only! There's room enough for everyone! We did it, Lily! But don't tell Coach!